Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will take a look at this breakdown from the symmetrical triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that Bitcoin is moving inside a very long term and huge down channel, and we are also likely to form a double bottom at this very strong support zone that starts from $19,500 and goes to $17,500. And previously we have been watching that this level has been working as a very strong support and resistance back in December 2020, and before that in December 2017 this level had been working as a very strong resistance as well, and therefore again it worked as a very nice support here back in June 2022, and recently it is again working as a nice support, and the price line is getting accumulated here, and at the same time it is very close to the resistance of this down channel, and this support zone is the reason that is not letting the price line to move more down from here. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that the movement of Bitcoin is getting more and more squeezed inside this descending triangle, and soon we can expect that Bitcoin may break out or break down the support or resistance of this triangle. So far the price line did not break down the support or break out the resistance. For example, if it will break down the support, then our target after the breakout to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $5,100, but I'm not expecting that the price line may move more up to this level, because before that we have a very strong support first here at 13,000. Let me place this trend line here. That will be at $13,880, and then our next support, a very strong support, can be here at $12,473. So this can be a very strong support zone, and for example, if we break down this support of $17,500, then we can drop down to this support zone where we also have this support of the channel as well. Now if we take a look at this very small time frame on the hourly time frame chart, then here recently Bitcoin formed this symmetrical triangle, and now it has broken down the support of the symmetrical triangle, and you can see that if we watch this breakdown with the combination of stochastic, then you can see that the price line is forming lower than previous low, but stochastic is not doing so, and it is forming higher low than previous low. So there is a bullish divergence, and it has already happened before that when we were having this extreme sell-off here back on 13th of October 2022, and I was telling you that stochastic is not going down with the with price line. That was, by the way, happening on the 4-hour time frame chart. This was the sell-off, not this was this one was the sell-off that was happening on 13th of October, and you can see at the same time when the price line was forming a lower than previous low, at the same time stochastic was forming higher low than previous low on the 4-hour time frame chart. So there was a bullish divergence. Therefore I was telling you that this can be a fake out, and from here we can expect a move to the upside, and this can be a bear trap, by the way, and from here we can expect a price reversal, and you can see that the price line reversed very well. And same as like that it is happening on the hourly time frame chart, and we can see that at the same time the price line is forming lower than previous low, but stochastic is not doing so. Even we have also received this bull cross, like this blue line has crossed the orange line. That is the buying signal, by the way, by the stochastic, but still it is possible that the stochastic may move more down and form another lower than previous low, and this bullish divergence may be removed from the chart, and the price line may move more down from here. However, if we take a look at the target for this breakdown, then after the breakdown our target was here. That is approximately $19,032, and so far you can see that the price line has dropped after this breakdown up to $19,079. So we are really going to hit this target as well, but there can be a price reversal possible because we are having this bullish divergence on the hourly time frame chart. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.